Good afternoon, sir. We will have introduced ourselves. My name is Yogi Alexander Tasoid with number student 441230107 and my partner.
Hello, sir. My name is Francis Nathanael Tampu Bolon with NIM 4412301064.
We are from Classy Morning Shipping Construction. We will have a conversation about accommodation.
Part 1 Style question. Do you live in a house or an apartment?
Actually, I live on campus in a single room in house of residence. All first year students are encouraged to do that as they are close to the university. Next year, I plan to move into student digs in town.
Tell me about where you live.
I live with my parents in the suburbs of Madrid. We only moved in recently. In fact, we had a housewarming party just a few weeks ago.
What kind of accommodation do most people live in your city?
In the city, it's itself the majority of people live in apartment blocks. That's what surprised me about England. Most people seem to live in terraced house with lovely back garden.
Part 2 Style tax.
I think most people, when answering this question, would say they like to live in a big, detached house with spacious rooms, views of the countryside, and so on. But actually, my ideal home would be a lot different. I've always loved the idea of having a mobile home, a really expensive one with the mod cons, so I could live wherever I want, or at least have lots of holidays and be able to take all my home comforts with me whenever I travel. I realize this would have to be a second home, as I will need a best apartment address, but the mobile home would be the accommodation I will find it exciting to live in. I suppose once I settle down and have children, I will want to get on the property ladder. I will be like everyone else, saving up to put down a deposit on a house or an apartment. I don't think my family would want to live in a mobile home, but I like to think I will still keep that dream home in mind.
Part 3 Style question. It is better to own your own home or the rent.
I think both have their advantage. Living in rented accommodation is not necessarily a bad thing. You don't have a hard debt like you do when you take out a mortgage, but I suppose the property market offers you an investment for the future. I'm sure that's why most people prefer to own their own home.
What options are available to young couples looking for accommodation in your country?
If they want to buy their own home, it's not easy for first time buyers. Mortgages are hard to get, so most people live with their parents or in rented accommodation, but that can also be very expensive. You often have to pay rent in advance, and if the accommodation is not fully furnished, you have the expense of buying for furniture.
What are some the pleasure involved in making a home for ourselves?
I suppose it starts with house hunting, finding your ideal home. Some people enjoy doing up an old property, giving a property that's old and tired a new lease of life. Others like making wherever they daily life feel like home with some home comfort. That's all the conversation from us, sir. Thank you.